Hello everybody, welcome back to Scott's Honest Reviews, and boy do I have an extremely awesome video for you guys. So today we are reviewing multiple different tool blades. Now, first of all, this is the tool that I use. It's battery operated. The link will be in the video description for this, but that's not the big boy that we're talking about. It's the actual tools that go on our saw blade, on our saw. Now, we already have the one installed, so we have sanding pads. We have circle, standard wood or plastic blades. We have different pads. We have smaller sanding pads. We have all kinds of multiple blades. Guys, this kit is amazing. This is by Lightimetunnel, or yeah, Lightimetunnel. Guys, check out the video description where you can get all these products for good price. These blades are made very nice, they are solid, and we're going to show you how they work. It is so simple. So, for a sander, get a tool like this. If you got a blade, what you do is you take one of your sand pads. We already put our little sander block on, which all you do is use a tool to put it on if you have this device, which I highly recommend. You put your sanding blade on just like that, and we are ready to go sand. So to demonstrate the sander, do you guys see all the green gook on here? So after age, just like that. Look at that. The difference between the green. Cleans it right up. Sanded off some of the old paint. Like, look up in here. You see this paint? It's fading. You know, it's chipping. Look how nice that smooths it out. Look at that compared to over in there. It smooths it out, gets it perfectly ready for painting or staining or whatnot. Just amazing. Now, to switch out, all you need is a tool like this to switch out to your other blades. You pull off your sanding pad. Take your tool like this, you loosen it up, just like so. Alright, now, what you're going to want to do for your other tools, you're going to go get your other set now. So we're going to set down this piece here. So now what you want to do, you want to keep this piece off, take the blade that you want to use, it's going to go in place like this, so just like that. It's okay if it moves around until you get it twisted in. So once you get twisted in there, take your little tool here. Now you can also adjust this as well. Now you just simply turn until it's on tight. But you want to make sure you have your tool in perfectly, because that's going to be a big factor here. just like that. It cuts really good. Give you guys a better angle here. So each blade does something differently in its own way. So that's just a good example on how it can cut. So there we go, we cut straight through. I love these tools. These tools do really good. So here we have the different type of tool as well. So there's all kinds of different ones that you can use. Some are good for wood, plastic, and so forth. So the same thing, you simply loosen this up with your tool here. So once we have it loosened up, and again you can have it set different ways, depends on your application. Look at that. Look how fast it did that. So guys, my final honest review, Scott score, 10 out of 10. Extremely good blades, very happy with them. Check out the links in the video description where you can get all types of blades from this company. Great company, excellent product. Got my seal of approval.